Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up a mobile data limit on Oppo Reno 10 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then head on to mobile network and enter data usage. Then there's a data usage limit, and here you can activate it for daily data use and monthly data use as well. First, also let's change the start calculating data usage from, and here you can pick which day of the month it should start calculating the data from. And in this case, I'm gonna go for a 5th day. Then we have daily data usage limit. You can activate it, then enter the number for the limit. In this case, I'm gonna go for 5000 megabytes, which is 5 gigabytes. Then there's when data limit is reached, we can receive alert only or receive the alert and also turn off mobile data automatically. Click on OK and a mobile data usage limit is set. Next is to set the monthly data usage as well, and here you can do basically the same stuff. Only thing that has changed is a data warning that you can activate and change the amount of data that will be used, and then it will activate. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.